from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a clean with me. It's going to be a really relaxing one. It's an autumn morning and I'm just going to go around and get our house in a better state. I'm just kind of doing my, usual morning routine, tidy, and I'm excited to take you along for the day. I got all of this done while my baby Sophie was having her nap. And yeah, it's usually my time to work, get cleaning done, get everything done that I need to do that day. So first thing I did was actually get her ready for her nap. I just did a super quick tidy in her room, just put some clothes away. She's 9 months old now and she will last about 3 to 3.5 hours awake. And I kind of watch her sleepy cues. Like I can see when she's, rubbing her eyes. And if it's been like 3 hours or 3 hours and a bit, then I kind of get her ready for a nap. And what I do is I change her nappy, put her in a sleeping bag. I sing her the soft kitty song. She loves that. And that's kind of her cue that, it's time to go to sleep. I do give her a bottle of milk here, but we don't use, a feed for her to fall asleep. So she doesn't fall asleep during the feed, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I love the cuddles and giving her a bottle of milk. So yeah, just getting her ready here. She was starving and so sleepy, poor baby. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get my cleaning done for the day. And we have actually received our new baby monitor from LeapFrog and it is brilliant. So I was really excited to share it with you today and thank you to them for working with me on this video. This is a really beautiful and really handy device to have if you are a parent yourself. Installing it was honestly so simple. I thought it would be more complicated, but it's really not. And it comes with everything you need to attach it to the wall. And you put it a bit further away from the crib, obviously, to keep it safe. You don't want baby reaching out for it. So I'm just laying her down in her crib now. She's still awake, but she will fall asleep usually on her own. And then I can just turn on the baby monitor. And it's so helpful to have this as a busy mom because I can still get things done, but have that peace of mind of watching her. I love the color touchscreen monitor. You can see so clearly your baby, which honestly gives me so much peace of mind. And you can also zoom in and out, rotate the camera 360 degrees. And it's just brilliant because you can see them regardless of how much they wriggle in their crib. The night vision is also brilliant. It shows such a clear image, like even if it's pitch black in her room. And it's not just black and white night vision, they have smart color night vision. So you can see them super clearly even in low light. And it's really nice to be able to see the temperature and humidity on the screen because, it's so important to keep them safe and that's obviously part of it, isn't it? It does have built-in white noise and night light as well that you can turn on as needed from your parent control monitor. Like how cool is that? It's so handy to have that. I love how it's got adaptive night light, so you can also change it from your baby monitor. It adapts to the light levels and you can also change the color of it. You can put a timer on it. It's just so nice to have this built in. And we do use white noise for baby Sophie and she loves it. She sleeps so well with that. Oh, and the battery on the baby monitor lasts so long, which is really good because, you can take a shower, go around the house, do your chores and not have to worry about it running out of battery. Oh, and one more thing I noticed that I really love is that it doesn't make any unnecessary noise or light in baby's room. We had other baby monitors that would, beep when they turned on. They would make a light shining in the crib sometimes, and it's just not handy to have that. So this one is perfect because it doesn't disturb her sleep at all. And I just love it so much. So after trying this LeapFrog baby monitor for a few weeks now, I would honestly highly recommend it. And it will be linked in the description box if you are interested. But yeah, if you are a parent yourself, this is so helpful. Okay, so now that I've got the baby monitor all set up, I'm just gonna go around the house and start tidying it. I'm starting in the living room because it was probably the messiest, I would say. Toys on the floor, but I always feel like it looks worse than it is, especially since we've minimalized a lot of our house and decluttered a lot. It doesn't take that long to tidy all of the toys, and they all have a space where they go, so it's easy to kind of take them back to their home, if you know what I mean.
Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. let's go infrared. Oh, we can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how.
I also made kind of little homes for everything. Like here at the back door, we have this basket where I put our, garden slippers. It's just things like that where you see things, being thrown on the floor. It means they obviously need a place to go. So I made this basket here so they have, a spot where people can throw them in instead of just putting them on the floor, if you know what I mean. I'm also straightening up our entryway, which can also be a bit of a dumping ground. Like, when you come in, you put coats on the floor and shoes and bags and things like that. So I'm just kind of straightening up in here too. And then I will go ahead and put a load of laundry because I try to do a lot of laundry pretty much every day, or sometimes I skip a day if we're kind of caught up, but we usually need one day because we go through so many clothes. But it's just way more manageable since we have way less clothes now. Next up, I'm going to put dishes away in the dishwasher and wash some bottles and anything else in here that needs kind of straightening up in the kitchen. And I'm also going to go around and spray with my Pretty and Fig spray, which you guys know I love. I always have a discount link in the description box. If you go through my link, you get 10% off. And yeah, just gonna make the kitchen look sparkly again, which needs to be done so many times in a day just to kind of stay on top of it. But it's easier if you do little bits throughout the day.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was scrappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near.
Then I'm gonna grab my Dyson Hoover and just go all around the downstairs to hoover it up. I think we hoover downstairs probably every day, or multiple times a day sometimes, because we get so many crumbs. Now that we've started weaning Sophie as well, it gets so messy so quick on the floors. So yeah, we're hoovering all around. I'm gonna do living room as well, and under the dining table as well in the living. And yeah, just kind of give the floors a really good clean.
It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning light.
And then I'm also going to use my Bona mop, which I also love because it's a spray mop. So you just put your liquid in the handle and then you just spray and mop. You don't need a bucket. I just find it way more convenient. And then at the end, you just take the cloth off of it and put it in the wash. It's just things like this that make your life easier and simpler and quicker to clean. It's what I'm all about these days as a busy mom.
You sang along and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning.
Then I'm just gonna make a nice cup of coffee, grab the baby monitor in the living room so I can still see my little baby sleeping, and I'm gonna start getting some work done. Actually, I'm gonna edit this video, and yeah, it's just so nice to have a bit of a relaxing time when they sleep a bit longer for their nap. It doesn't always happen, but when it does, I really take advantage of that. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the LeapFrog baby monitor, which will be linked in the description box. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.